Mortgage rates just hit 6.58%. And if you own a house or a property in Myrtle Beach and you're thinking about selling, you definitely want to watch this video to the end because it could help you from making a very expensive mistake. Stay with me on this and watch this video. So let's talk real numbers. And because most people hear 6.58% and they immediately think, well, that's high. But they don't actually know about how it affects the buyers that are walking through their front door to buy their house. Here's what it means. A buyer that is looking at a $400,000 house here in Myrtle Beach, putting down 20%, right now is looking at about a monthly payment of about $2,100, principal and interest only. But then when you factor in insurance, property taxes, HOA, you're getting up there around $2,600 a month or more. Compare that to 2 years ago when interest rates were, basically around 6%. Buyers had about $200 more to play with. That $200 is $2,400 a year. Over 5 years, that is $12,000. And that matters because the buyer that you're hoping walks through your front door to buy your house, they feel that difference. And it's changing how they make decisions. So what are buyers doing with the 6.58%? Well, they're doing three things. Number one, the buyer that was pre-approved 6 months ago for $450,000 is now shopping for a house at $400,000, which means your competition just got bigger. Number two, they're negotiating harder. When buyers feel the monthly payments are this high, they are negotiating for closing costs to be paid by you, rate buy downs, price reductions, and they're not wrong. The problem is the sellers that dig in and push back are the ones that are sitting on the market and not selling. And number three, the buyers that are buying right now, they are serious. The tire kickers and the let's wait and see crowd have already basically stepped back. The people showing up to open houses in Myrtle Beach are right now very motivated. They've accepted the rate environment, which is actually great news for sellers if you're priced right. Now, here's what I'm seeing on the ground here in the Myrtle Beach Grand Strand area, or as I like to call it, the front lines, because national headlines don't necessarily match what's happening in this market. Inventory is elevated, and we have a lot of homes sitting on the market right now where buyers have options. They have a lot of options. And when buyers have options, they don't panic buy. They compare, they negotiate, and then they walk away from overpriced homes because they have that luxury right now. And the homes that are selling right now in this market have two things. One, they are priced right. And two, they show very, very well. That is the entire formula in this market. So in order to sell and capture a buyer in today's market here in the Myrtle Beach Grand Strand area, you got to be priced right and you got to show it very well. Upgrades, best value for the buyer. What do you do as a seller in a 6.58% mortgage rate environment? Here's my actual advice. Number one, price it right the first time. I cannot stress this enough. In this market, your first 2 weeks on the market are everything. If you're overpriced, buyers, they scroll past you. They don't come back and think, maybe I should offer less. They just move on. That's how many options they have. The homes that are taking 90, 120 days to sell here in Myrtle Beach right now, they started off overpriced and they continuously had to price drop, price drop, price drop. Number two, offer a rate buy down. This is the single most powerful tool in a seller's kit right now, and most sellers aren't using it. Instead of dropping your price by $10,000, offer $6,000 towards the buyer buying down their interest rate. That $6,000 credit could drop their rate by a half a point, which saves them a lot more money than $10,000 on the price cut would. And here's the best part, buyers feel that. And it moves the needle. And then number 3, make your house turnkey. Okay, at 6.58% rates, buyers are already stretched. The last thing they want to buy is a project. The last thing they want to do is pay full market value for your house and walk in and know that they're going to have to spend $30,000 to upgrade it or update it. Fresh paint, clean landscaping, no deferred maintenance visible during showings. You want a buyer to walk in thinking, I can move in right away, just bring my toothbrush, and I'm ready to live here. And number 4, work with a realtor that knows this specific market. Myrtle Beach is not Charlotte. It is not Raleigh. It's not Columbia, South Carolina. We have a unique mix of primary buyers, retirees, investors, and vacation buyers. And the strategy is completely different. I see too many sellers hire a Charlotte realtor because they're sold on, they have these contacts in New York City. The Charlotte buyer is not buying in Myrtle Beach. They don't even know the market. It's a completely different market. Look, 6.58% mortgage rates isn't the end of the world for the Myrtle Beach market. But if you're a seller, it's going to require a different strategy than what worked 2 years ago. If you're thinking about selling and you want to know exactly what your home is worth, reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. I have 16 years experience in this market. I know the buyers. I know the pricing. I know the strategy that works. I will give you a direct, honest opinion on how to successfully get to the closing table rather than agreeing with you and hoping that what you want happens. And if this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe button so you can definitely be notified when my next video comes out that could possibly help you make a great decision instead of costing you in the long run. My name is Mike Fiebernitz, REMAX Executive here in Myrtle Beach. Have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next video. Have a good one.